Hi, in this video we are going to see the permanent vacancies recruitment notification. Okay guys, it is a central government college. Okay, that is there is a recruitment notification in the National Institute of Technology, and here the eligibility is the UG or PG, and for any post graduation specialization also the vacancies are there, and the salary you are going to get, all the salaries are as per the 7th central pay scale guys. Okay, so up to 52,000 rupees per month you will get here. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UG NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is a recruitment notification from the National Institute of Technology, Silchar from Assam. So here you may check down that advertisement for recruitment of various non-teaching positions, and this notification released on 18th May 2021. So National Institute of Technology, Silchar, invites application in prescribed format from Indian nationals possessing the consistently good academic record and requisite qualifications and experience for the following post. So registrar, deputy registrar, assistant registrar, librarian, medical officer, Hindi officer, superintendent, junior Hindi translator, technical assistant, SCS assistant or the junior engineer, and the senior assistant. So total here the 55 number of vacancies are there from all the caste categories, and you may check down the number of vacancies are divided as per the caste category here in this table, and the pay levels are also mentioned here guys. Okay, so let's go to the eligibility criteria. So coming to the registrar, method of recruitment is deputation, and for a period of 5 years or else attaining the age of 62 years. So experience required is holding analogous post and at least 15 years of experience as assistant professor in academic grade pay, or with 8 years of service in the academic grade pay. Okay, so comparable experience in research establishment, 15 years of administrative experience, and a qualification in area of management or engineering or law, and age limit is 56 years. And coming to the deputy registrar, the direct method of recruitment is direct recruitment guys, and master's degree in any discipline with at least 55% of marks. And coming to the experience, 9 years experience of assistant professor, comparable experience in research establishment, and 5 years of administrative experience, and desirable or qualification in area of management or engineering or law, or else experience of working in e-office system, and a chartered or the cost accountant degree or diploma for the post of deputy registrar, and the age limit is not exceeding the 50 years. And coming to the assistant registrar, method of recruitment is direct. So master's degree in any discipline with at least 55% of marks equivalent, or else employees serving as superintendent or private secretary in pay band 2 grade pay of 5,400 with at least 2 years of regular service. And the desirable qualifications are also mentioned here: qualification in area of management or engineering or law, experience of working in e-office system, and a chartered or the cost accountant for the post of assistant registrar. Age limit is not exceeding the 35 years. And coming to the librarian method, direct recruitment, master's degree in a library science or information science or documentation with CGPA 6.5, and experience holding analogous post, and at least 10 years of experience as a deputy librarian in the library of technical university or educational institute guys. And the desirable is PhD, and age limit is 56 years. And coming to the medical officer, MBBS is required. And coming to the Hindi officer, direct recruitment, eligibility criteria: master's degree of recognized university in Hindi with English as a compulsory or elective subject or as a medium of examination at the degree level, or else a master's degree of recognized university in English with Hindi as a compulsory or elective subject, or else a master's degree of recognized university in any subject other than Hindi or English with Hindi medium and English as a compulsory, or a master's degree of recognized university in any subject other than Hindi or English with English medium and Hindi as a compulsory. So next one also given here, so you may check down guys here. So, I mean, there are a lot of opportunities are there in this notification to the candidates, any master's degree. And coming to the superintendent, direct method of, direct recruitment, first class bachelor's degree or else its equivalent, or master's degree in any discipline with the 50% of marks or equivalent grade, and a knowledge of computer applications, that is word processing and the spreadsheets, okay, not exceeding the 30 years. And a junior Hindi translator, it is also the direct recruitment. Master's degree of a recognized university in Hindi with English as a compulsory subject, and master's degree of a recognized university in English with Hindi as a compulsory subject, or else master's degree in any recognized university, any subject you might be other than Hindi or English, but with Hindi medium and English as a compulsory, and the opposite to this one. Okay, so you may please check down, guys. Or else few more conditions are also given here. And coming to the technical assistant, the direct method of recruitment, first class in BTech or BE or MCA, or else a first class diploma in engineering or first class bachelor's degree in science, or a master's degree in science from recognized university with at least 50% of marks. Age limit is not exceeding the 30 years. And next one is SCS assistant or the junior engineer. So direct recruitment for the SCS assistant, first class bachelor's degree in physical education and a strong record of participation in sports and drama. And for the junior engineer, first class BE or BTech in civil or electrical engineering from recognized university. So, or else first class diploma in civil or engineering with excellent academic record, not exceeding the 30 years. And coming to the senior assistant, it is also the direct method of recruitment. And the essential qualification is senior secondary, that is 10+2 from a recognized board with a minimum typing speed 35. Age limit is not exceeding the 33 years. Those employees who are working in NIT Silchar on ad hoc or temporary or contracted or outsourced basis, okay, may also apply for this one. And application procedure, applicants can apply for the post by visiting the following link. Okay, it is the link, guys. Okay, I will show you that one at the end of this video. The applicant must upload all relevant documents and self-attested in connection with the credentials claimed. Okay, and after submission of the application, the scanned copies of the application and duly signed by the candidate along the documents also uploaded to the email ID nfapt_21@nits.ac.in, and you have to mention the subject line application for the post of what and what is the applicant name. The last date for the online submission of the application is 2nd July 2021. You need not to send any hard copies to the institute. Okay, so few more information also given here. So for your reference purpose, to get the accurate as well as the more data, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, guys. Okay, so I think it will be a wonderful opportunity that for only post-graduation candidate, any post-graduation candidate with any specialization, a lot of opportunities are there. So please utilize this opportunity, and it is a direct method of selection. Okay, so very good highlights are there in this job recruitment. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues. Okay, so I'm requesting you to share my videos, guys. It will be very much helpful to a lot of the candidates to get the job in this pandemic situation. So please share. Okay, and to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy. tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.